Grandest of risings, royalest of risings, I say unto you on this day, the energies of the full moon, the spring equinox, I come to you filled with seeds of love and opulence. I being Queen, Mother, Goddess, Opulence, Ra Enter, Keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace, wishing you, sending you, speaking into you a harvest like none ever before. Seed time harvest equals a bounty. This is a time to plant seeds in the soil of Mother Earth, the soil of life, the place of birthing anew. Did you know you are a gardener? Been one all your life, been planting seeds through every action, reaction, thought, emotion. Take notice of how tiny a seed can be and how it can grow into a humongous tree. What you water will probably grow. Tune into the reality of contained within the seed representing you, representing me, representing we, are all the elements to be what it was created to be. But it does require energies, the soil, the water, the sun, the air, in order for it to mature. Sometimes seeds blow in from the wind. You don't have to do anything for them to appear. Outside influences coming into your realities to affect your journey. The energies I give you today, think of yourself as a gardener, if you will, and carefully pull out weeds that are seeds that can grow in your garden. I said carefully, diligently, and sometimes forcefully if they have been allowed to grow too deeply. But do weed by paying attention to your thoughts, your actions, your reactions. The strength of a mustard seed, the faith of a mustard seed, is an old saying, biblical, yes, Probably way before that. That's all it takes. Faith that you will be selective in the seed you plant in your life, in your garden, your body temple. On and on I could go, but this is what I have reaped, so this is what I shall sow and show you today. Full day today on this equinox full moon energy of spring. Spring into action. Like, comment, share, and ring my bell so that you can be there when I come again. Namaste. Hotep Hu. Eternal blessings belong to you. Receive now and forevermore.